Good morning, Con. As many of you still write me messages saying, Miss, the quiz is broken, the quiz doesn't let me to go further, I would like to show you how you can make sure actually the quiz is not broken and maybe you had a little mistake on the questions and is leading you back again. So, as you can see, here is one of the quiz. Which is for year 7, but could be any of the classes. Now I'm going to go for the view when what you see actually, okay? So this is what you see. You go on the next page and it will ask you to type your full name. So I'm going to put Mrs. Onodi and choose your class. Now I'm teaching 7Z2, so I'm going to put 7Z2. Now, this is required. Don't forget, if you don't put your name still, the quiz actually collecting your email address. So I know who you are, but it would make easier to me if your full name is there. Next one. So is here a guidance stating, please do your working out if it is required in your exercise book or a piece of paper and click on the correct answer on the Google form, or you have to type it. Some parts will be required to upload a photo or a Google Doc of your working. So this means either if you do your working on a piece of paper, you have to take a photo of it with your mobile phone, okay? Or if you're doing a Google Doc straight away, you have to upload the document. Says, please try to complete the question honestly in exam condition. That means without cheating, using your calculator or freaking through your book. Okay? It's the same thing when in lesson first I explain you something and after I ask you to try to do by yourself. By completing the quiz, this way it helps yourself, myself, and Miss J to see whether you understand the topic or if it's another teacher. Okay? Scores you will see end of the quiz, and later than 2 weeks time I'm going to provide you a bigger feedback. Next one. So we go quickly through. So here is the video which you have to follow, to watch, and it says you have to take notes. And you know why? Because when you go to the next page, you need to write always 2 things about your video as a reflection. How would you explain it to one of your classmates who, for instance, didn't see this video? Okay. So now was percentage and place value. So I want you to write at least 2 things, okay? Next one is the understanding of the topic questions, okay? So I'm going to put purpose wrong answers to show you what is happening. So Abby and Kate checked, yeah, it's supposed to be B, but I'm going to put A, okay? Now, Alien face share 20 pound ratio to 2 to 3. I'm going to put, let's say, C. George and Harry share 14 and yeah, how much George get? Let's say I put C. Okay, 350 pound in a ratio to 2 to 5. Let's say I put C. Question 5, 30 boys is 1, 2. What is the boys? Let's have it put C. Now, when I click on next, it will show saying some of your answers were incorrect. Okay, watch the video again, and after it will lead you back to page 6 to give a go again to find the correct answer to be understanding the topic question. So you have to watch the video again because maybe you missed some important information. You click on next and it will lead you back to page 6 again. Now, I'm suggesting you, if you think the answer were correct here, still clicks first on a different one and after click on an answer if you think the A was still correct back, okay? Because if you don't do an unclick and click, it will think you didn't do anything, so it will lead you back again, okay? So I'm not going to show you the answers because still I want you to work on it, but I hope it makes sense, okay? Thank you for watching and have a lovely fun learning. Bye.